So I got another package from the Gadget Club. Oh, and if you're new here, what the heck is the Gadget Club anyways, right? So I'll tell you all about it after this 5-second intro. Hey and welcome, my name is Danny Black and I love to review cool products that come my way. You can check out my description, or if you're on a mobile phone, I think there's just like a down arrow like that. Click on that and you can see all the links to everything we're talking about today, plus a surprise link. So the Gadget Club, it's a really cool concept and I just want you to know something right now. I don't make any money from them. If you click on the link, it's not an affiliate link. I just think this is a really cool idea and I really wanted to share it with you guys. It was just exclusive to Australia and now it's open to the UK, US, and Canada. And stay tuned, because you never know, they might open up to more countries. So before we go and discover what's in this box that they sent, let me just tell you, if you want to be part of the giveaway, all you have to do is write a comment down below. Type, I want to be part of the giveaway, and put the emoji of your country's flag. And there we go, you've entered into the competition, and the next giveaway is on the first of the month live stream. And you have to be watching live to win. So stay tuned, click that bell, and you'll get notified when I do go live.
Oh, what's in the box?
So look at this, I got a Rubik's Cube that connects to an app to help you solve it. This Rubik's Cube only works with Android and not iOS. Luckily, I am a wizard at solving these. I also got this little paper airplane with a motor on it, and this is really, really cool. I love this idea. Power up. Oh, there we go. Huh. Dude, that was cool. Did you see that? Honestly, it's a really cool idea. I think it's really fun. And the point of these gadgets is not to be the best of quality. It's to just give you something to do, something fun, and go. So the main gadget in this box is a drone, but not an expensive drone, because that wouldn't really make sense in a $50 box. Testing it out, it worked. It actually did work. It flew. There's no camera on this thing because, you know, it costs way more than what it's worth, but I could put a camera on there. It's a test flight with the Insta360 Go 2. It's working. It's up, I can't stop it. All right, so test flight with the Go 2. It flew a little bit and then down. I could see people that have never had a drone before. This would be a great starting point to kind of get used to controls and just how the drones kind of fly. You know, it's a good try. But all right, to sum it up, like I said, I'm not sponsored by them, but I think that this is a great gift for certain people out there. Father's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day. Once a month, getting a box of cool stuff and tinkering with it. It's a fun box. It's a box of fun stuff. So support the nerd in your life and get them a box or subscription to the Gadget Club. Okay, remember to leave a comment with your country's flag, letting me know that you want to be part of the giveaway, and tune in on the first of the month. If you're watching this afterwards, hey, don't worry. I do giveaways all the time on the first of the month. So, you know, stay tuned to this channel. Make sure you hit that button right there. For everyone else, if you can hit that one, yeah. All right, that's it for me today. Got a lot more products to get to and a lot of cool content as well. So if you want to dive deeper on this channel, make sure you check out the memberships. We do giveaways, we do live streams, we do exclusive content just for you and the memberships. And I also have a weekly podcast where I talk tech and the YouTube creator life. It's a fun little thing. We just a couple guys gabbing about stuff. It's not popular, but maybe it could be one day. Who knows? All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.